This is not something we use very often. In inequality form, the interval that is graphed here, which does include the 2, sometimes instead of an open circle we use a bracket there. This would be from 2, which we include, on up to positive infinity. This we want to write in set builder notation. This will be written as the set of all x's such that x is greater than or equal to 2. Now let's diagnose what we've got written here. The open set there at the beginning usually is just pronounced the set of all. Then we state what it's the set of all. We're going to state the set of all x's. The bar is usually pronounced as such that, and it is followed by some condition afterwards. In this case, this condition is x greater than or equal to 2.